cilantro, onions, dhania, onions, dhania, onions.
Welcome to Cooking with Nanu. Today I'm going to share a recipe of cooking mung beans, or as we call them, dengu. And here are the ingredients. We have onions, bell pepper, tomatoes, coconut milk, ginger, garlic. For the spices we have salt, paprika, black pepper, curry powder, cilantro, cooking oil, and the mung beans. And let's start cooking. I like to start off with a hot pan. Get my oil in there. And then I'll put the onions. And then just stir them. So just let this cook for a little bit, about 5 minutes. And then you put the ginger and garlic. And let this cook until it browns. Let the onions brown. It's already starting to smell really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bell peppers. Beautiful. So now the bell peppers have softened, and you can just see how nice they look. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the tomatoes. Once you start, you go ahead and put your spices so that they can infuse and cook really well. And then I'll put the mung beans in. And again, just mix them up, stir it really well. You want to do this for about 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the coconut milk. It's optional. You don't really have to put it in here, but I love the flavor of coconut milk and coconut in general. And that's why I have it in there. I'm just gonna start and cover it. I'm gonna go ahead and uncover it. It's been cooking for about 6 minutes really. And let's see what it looks like. Look at that. You can see that the skin is falling off of the beans here. So that tells you that it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the cilantro. Stir it in there. Look at how beautiful that looks. All right, gonna cover it. Let's bring that a little bit lower the heat. I put it for a minute to let the cilantro cook a little bit without doing too much with it. The steam in there will just get those flavors distributed really well, and then you can taste it. It's really good. Once the minute is done, you're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Now it's all ready. You can pair it with some rice. You can even pair it with a chapati. My vegetarian friends really love this dish. I like to cook it when they come over. Thank you for watching Cooking with Nano.